even beyond public interest, whether our constitution allows our constitution allows the court to distill existential values of the states. And I told the meeting that those existential values are found in two places. One in chapter 1, which is the foundational chapter that establishes our country, defines what Kenya is, the map, the territory, the coordinates, and the fundamental principles, including devolution. And then chapter 14 on national security, Article 238 in particular, contains some elements of what one would call existential and primordial elements of the existence of Kenya. That Article 238 says that there are certain core interests of Kenya that must be protected. And that's why the organs of national security are established, to make sure that Kenya does not disappear. It survives. Territorial sovereignty of Kenya. That's why our KDF will do whatever it takes to make sure that other nations, enemies of Kenya, don't overrun us.